Hey babes, what is up? I am back today and I did this beautiful look. Looks like this. I've been really inspired lately by a lot of like YouTubers and a lot of Instagrammers. At least the ones that I'm following aren't typically girls that I would normally follow. I just sort of somehow found them on Instagram and I've been so obsessed with their style, and it's just that on top of the inspiration that I've already felt has kind of given me this new sense of self and a new perspective, and I've just felt so inspired, and you know, that's what life's about. And so if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. So there's no surprise, I already have foundation on. It just makes my video editing a lot easier. Okay, so I am gonna do kind of like a Halo inspired / fall inspo video eye tutorial. Wish me luck, because I just feel like it might be out of my usual territory. And we're going to be using this puppy. It's called iMetal's Ombre Metallique Bitter Clove, Victoria Beckham. And it's just so beautiful. It's like this beautiful, like golden olive tone green. I don't even know. Let me swatch it for you guys. This is what it looks like. It is just beautiful. So I already have a little bit of foundation on my lids. I actually just finished making a tutorial, so I'm gonna use the leftover sort of foundation / concealer that I have on here. I don't really ever use anything to prime my shadows. So let's get you guys zoomed in a little bit. So I'm going to start with a fluffy brush, and I'm going to go in with kind of like the same eyeshadow palette that I used before. It's the Morphe, what's it called? The Artistry palette? Oh, Boss Mood. Oh yeah. Play It Cool. Play It Cool is like this beautiful, light sort of brown toned shade. Okay, we're gonna go in with, let's see here, Green with Envy. Use Green with Envy, which is just here. I'm gonna grab my finger and actually just, I'm sorry that I'm using my left finger, my middle finger, guys. It's just how I work sometimes. I'm gonna use the outer corner. Okay, and then use another little blending brush. Blending it inward. I don't know why I'm whispering. I'm just like whispering for some weird reason, and I'm not quite sure why. Alrighty, so it should kind of look something like that. I'm gonna grab some more. And I'm doing this kind of looking through the monitor, so maybe that's kind of annoying for you guys, and I apologize. So let me just use a mirror. Wow, it looks like I punched in the eye. It straight up looks like homegirl was in a fight. Okay, so this is fine for right now. I'm just, because I'm like a weirdo, I have to use, like, it doesn't have to be perfect all the time, but for the most part, like, if it's down here, I just feel like I have to clean it. So we're gonna clean that-ish. Just so that we can, you know, use a semi-clean palette here. I'm gonna go in with this dirty brush, ew, and I'm gonna be using Talk Dirty, which is like this really nice mocha toned, medium toned brown. be using, because it's the first thing that I literally saw, B-HIVE Breakout. It is like, what's it called? Concealer for breakouts, but hey, we're good. We're preventing breakouts. Okay, no, low key, I really hope this doesn't like hurt my eyes in any way, shape, or form. So try not to blink too much. Just using a little beauty blender, a faux one. Okay, sort of. Okay, all right. Like, what am I doing? Okay, here we go. So this is like sort of the look that you should have. You should have something like this. So I'm gonna do my best, but I'll use the brushes as kind of like help. You know what I mean? To like blend it out and stuff. So we're gonna use the same shades. We're just building the base and of the halo eye. We're just building up. And now what I want to go in with, and actually, you know, I was gonna use this shade. Like, how beautiful would that look on my halo eye? Maybe. Yeah, let's go for it. I'm gonna use my finger and just go for it. Oh, whoop, hey. How you doing? You guys, how beautiful. How stinking beautiful is this look? Actually, low-key dying right now because this is so beautiful. And it's easy, like I'm using my fingers, it's not super difficult, and I just want it to be something that like I don't have to do too much to like achieve, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna go back in, and now I'm gonna blend this up a little bit just to diffuse. I do want this like this little section to be kind of dark. So I'm going back in and blending that, and then I'm blending this back up. But I'm trying, you're just wanting to avoid the center. So if the center has like eyeshadow, just try and do your best to remove it. Like it can have a little bit of eyeshadow, that's fine. You just don't want it to close it in because then it doesn't look halo-esque. This is definitely looking better, but I still don't have the full effect that I want. I think I'm gonna go in with maybe a black, but on a very small blending brush. Or actually, it's kind of like a pencil brush slash blending brush, and ever so gently going to pack that color on the outer corners. Remember, we're just cleaning up, so we're going to clean it up, so don't you worry about a thing. Okay, I definitely don't look dead. No, not at all. I'm gonna put a little bit more foundation, kind of just underneath my eyes. And now I already have a full face of foundation, so I'm hoping, and powder, like the whole nine. So I'm hoping that it doesn't start caking up too much. So this is what we're working with. Ow, my leg is going numb. I'm gonna go ahead and actually just powder the under eye. Grab the biggest brush you can find and go ahead and put liner on and my lashes, and I'll be right back. I was just like tweaking it and I figured I'd just record it. So I'm just grabbing that brush that I had that concoction of browns on, and I'm just using it kind of like right here and flicking up and out and vice versa. This is really what it should look like. I haven't gotten my lashes on yet because the glue is drying, but I'm actually gonna go ahead and take that Victoria Beckham eyeshadow with like this type of a brush, and I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can just pack it on into the center. grab a smaller brush, the brush that I used to add the black, and I'm actually gonna go ahead and use that black with this type of a brush on the outer corner, and I'm going to attach that. I'm gonna grab the, what's it called? What's his name? Bretman Rock. Just grabbing a nice highlighter shade. I thought it said Get Lit. It's called Get Laid, L-E-I''D. So gonna grab that shade and just, ooh, it might be too frosty. What do you think? Now I need something more gold. I'm gonna use Mahoo? Yeah, there we go. I need something a lot warmer. And I'm just gonna use that in the inner corner here as well. Just to brighten it up, because I did add the shadow kind of in this upper hand corner, as you can tell, just to kind of give it a little bit of a, I don't know, like a different vibe. For me, this is like totally different. I don't know if I would say that I totally nailed, oh, hey. Ooh. I'm not sure that I would say that I totally nailed the whole halo eye. I think I could have done better for sure, but yeah. So I'll be right back with those lashes, promise. They put lashes on. If you can see, they're just like really cute ones. Ow, I just rolled over my toe. I'm gonna work on the face. I'm gonna set it with my fabulous, what's it called? Maybelline Fit Me. Go in with the same brush and use my hula. Warm up the cheeks. How are we looking? Tan? Okay. And then I'm actually gonna go ahead and work on the lips. I'm using Foolish. Okay, can't see it. Looks like this from Morphe. Zoom in. Oh, there's like hair. I can honestly say I feel like this eyeshadow makes my eyes pop. Like, it makes my eyes, I don't know if you could tell, but it kind of just makes my eyes like lighter. I don't know, it's probably just me, but I'm digging it. Now I'm gonna go in with Morphe. It's called Freebird. It's just a lip gloss. It's kind of like, let me zoom you guys in. I'm going to go ahead and apply Flower Crown just in the center. Because why not? I'm using Myyyyyy. This one just here. For me, a little bit goes a long way. Like, I can't go crazy because then my pores start to show. It's like too much. Okay. Now, just to sort of put it all together, I definitely want to put liner on, so I'm going to be using, wow, it is all scratched off. What the heck is it called? Demolition by Urban Decay in the waterline. I think that I just like want an accent. Oh my gosh, I wish. See how it kind of gives it, well, I don't know if on camera you can really tell, but I can tell. Nailed mascara and put it on the bottom lashes. I'm using Unique black waterproof mascara. And honestly, like, this stuff is so good, but it's really difficult to remove. It's the only reason why I'm not so crazy about it. Like, I mean, it'll take you a while to remove it. I guess I should zoom you guys in a little bit more. And this, you guys, is the finished look. Feels great. It's too bad I'm going like to the park. Guys, I would totally leave this look on. Who knows, maybe I'll be that extra and just like go to the park and like leave my makeup on. But on that note, guys, thank you so much again for tuning in. I really appreciate it. I'm definitely gonna make more tutorials doing looks that inspire me, maybe kind of venturing out of my little box. And until then, guys, peace.